This video is going to talk about this week's Wellness Wednesday assignment, as well as making up missed work. First, student needs to go to classroom.google.com. Students need to choose their name and sign in. Once they sign in, they need to click on McDonald Classroom. Then they need to click on Classwork. Then they need to go down the page until they get to Clase de Inglés, English class. Here, the students need to click on this week's assignment and check last week's assignment for missing work as well. Then the student needs to click View Assignment. Click View Assignment. Once they click View Assignment, they will see a comment from me about the slides they need to complete. So this student needs to complete 18, 19, 20, 38, 39, and 40. Then they need to click on their name here for their classwork. So this student has missing work, so they are going to go down the page to their missing assignments. This student needs to do slide number 18. So they did most of the work. They did John is at, well, the student did all the work, so they're going to go to the next one. Mall. John is at the mall. Definition. I read, shop, or get help. So at a mall, you shop. Then they need to find the translation. What is the translation for mall? So the translation for mall is Centro Comercial. They're going to put that there. And then they need to find an image. So they go to this box right here, click Search the Web, and type in mall. There they can choose an image they like and move it to the classwork. Then they make it small. If a student has missing work, you will see this red symbol on their slides. Lastly, all students need to complete their reading for Wellness Wednesday. This is on slide 54. So the student is going to choose a book from the bookshelf to listen to. And then they're going to click on the link. So this book is called The Snowy Day. I'm going to listen to the book The Snowy Day. also can turn on the closed captioning to read it in English, or I could change it to Spanish, auto-translate and find Spanish. Okay. Once I finish the book and I listen to all of it, I'm going to go back to slide 55 and I will write the title of the book, The Snowy Day. And then I'm going to circle how I feel. I liked it, me gusta. I did not like it, no me gusta. Or it was okay, está bien. If you are in the yellow group or blue group, you need to write the title, The Snowy Day, and 3 things about the book. A boy woke up. It was snowing. Okay. He went outside to play. That is all for the Wellness Wednesday work. I also have a GIM kit for students to practice their vocabulary and sight words. They can click on this link and it will take them to another assignment for them to practice some vocabulary words. If you have any questions, please message me and I will answer them when I can. Thank you so much.